Greetings, I'm Angel Marie Monticelli, and in the 1970s at Harvard University, Dr. Benson was the first to teach the importance of diaphragmatic breathing. I call it belly breathing. I learned this when I was in college and I was injured, and my coaches brought in another coach to help me to relax, to learn this beautiful breathing. And I'm here today to help you with your breathing so that you can have more joy in your life. And by all these years, over 20 years of teaching meditation, Reiki, and energy healing, I have adapted my own way, and so happy you're here with me today to teach you how to belly breathe.
You know, most people are backwards breathers, and I'm showing this here because we usually breathe out of our whole body and into the lungs. So we're gonna breathe in through the diaphragm, meaning that when we breathe in, the diaphragm comes out. When we breathe out, the diaphragm comes in. There we go, breathing in through your nose and out through slit mouth as the diaphragm moves in and out. Closing the mouth, in through the nose, the diaphragm comes out. And as we breathe out, the diaphragm comes in. Beautiful. Again, breathing in and out, moving that diaphragm. Awesome. And again, now we're going to do the 6-2-8, meaning we're going to go in for 6, diaphragm comes out, hold for 2, out for 8, the diaphragm comes in. Again, 6, 2, 8. Breathing in for 6, belly comes out. Out for 8, belly comes in. Beautiful. I'm going to show this laying down because what happens when you get into the rhythm, it'll keep you out of flight or flight. Also, it'll reduce and help you with your stress and lower your heart rate and your blood pressure. So the best thing is when you lay down, go ahead and put your hands here and start your breath, which means breathing in through your nose. Good, good. Breathing in through your nose, diaphragm comes out. Out through your slit mouth, diaphragm goes down. Very good again. In through your nose, diaphragm's out. Out through your mouth, and diaphragm comes in. Again, breathing in through your nose, diaphragm comes out, hold for 2, out for 8, and the diaphragm comes in. Beautiful. I want you to keep practicing this. And now I'm going to show you how when you're standing, it will help you. Again, keep practicing this and get into a rhythm because it will help you with your energy, confidence, and joy in your life. Every morning as you wake up, do this for 10 minutes. Every hour on the hour, use a timer and do at least 10 belly breaths. Keep practicing this like I'm showing here. That will help you to have more joy, energy, and confidence in your life. Good. Again, breathing in through your nose, diaphragm goes out. As you breathe out, diaphragm comes in. Awesome, you did it. Congratulations.